everyone, my name is Sarah Moreland, and today I'm going to be reviewing case study number 3 for SBCE 638, section 803. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Yuno. He is 7 years old, has an autism diagnosis, and he has a very limited vocal repertoire. So we decided to work with him on tacting behavior in hopes to expand that vocal repertoire. So to define tacting real quick, a tact is a verbal operant under the functional control of a non-verbal discriminative stimulus. The specific target behavior that we are working on is tacting a dog by associating it with the sound of barking. So we designed our intervention based on the principle of stimulus equivalence to teach tacting behavior to Yuno. Yuno was unfamiliar with the relation between the words woof woof and the presence of a dog, and unfamiliar with the relation of barking and the presence of a dog. We used an intraverbal program to teach Yuno that dogs say woof woof. The desired outcome of this particular intraverbal program was that when asked what animal says woof woof, Yuno would answer a dog. Our long-term goal that we had hoped would come from teaching this interverbal target was that Yuno would learn to associate the sound of barking with the presence of a dog based on his knowledge that woof woof sounded like barking, and then learning that dogs say woof woof. This means that the stimulus class being taught was the sound of dogs barking. Eventually, Yuno learned to say a dog when asked what animal says woof woof. So our short-term goal for that specific target was achieved. And then, to our surprise, one day Yuno heard a dog barking outside of his home. After hearing the barking, Yuno said, "Woof woof, a dog," which was so exciting because he formed a stimulus relation. Because Yuno knew that woof woof describes the sound of barking and learned that dogs say woof woof, he knew that the animal making that noise was a dog without being directly taught to associate the noise with the animal. Thus, the derived stimulus relation was that dogs make barking sounds. So I put together a little visual here. I can go over it real quick. So basically, like it shows here, draw a messy line there. Yuno, like I said, he already knew that just the sound of barking alone is described as woof woof. We taught him that a dog says woof woof. Thus, he connected, since he knew woof woof describes barking, he was able to form this relation here. So when he hears barking, he knew, oh, that means a dog is present. So basically, get rid of all that. We achieved our goal of teaching Yuno to tact a dog's presence just by hearing barking due to the derived stimulus relation. Thank you all for listening. Here are my references and I will see you again soon.